world of digital pianos for beginners is an exciting universe of brilliant devices whose purpose is to bring joy and create beauty. At the end of the day, piano is a conduit of your creativity and your ability to express yourself through music. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best digital piano you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Casio 88-key digital pianos. It delivers natural piano sound and feel in a slim case that's barely larger than the keys themselves. Weighing only 23.1 pounds and capable of running on either its included power supply or AA batteries, the CDPS 150 provides unprecedented portability and convenience. Choose from 10 tones, including a beautiful grand piano, with adjustable reverb and chorus. Listen via the built-in stereo speaker system or practice quietly at any time with your favorite headphones and the built-in metronome. It has easy controls, including a one-button recorder that can capture and playback your performances. A standard sustain pedal is included. For an even more authentic performance, connect the optional SP34 portable 3-pedal unit to add sostenuto and soft pedal functionality. Number 4. Donner DDP 100 Digital Piano. It produces a realistic sound quality and has good keys resistance. There are several modes of the style of playing you prefer that adjust the resistance of the keys. The built-in speakers are 25W, which lends this digital piano a nice, resonant sound. It only offers piano voice without the other instrument samples like its counterparts, but it is justified by price and quality of the one thing that it is, a great entry-level spinet-style digital piano that does its job well. 128-note polyphony ensures that classical piano repertoire can be played without odd distortions. DDP 100 has MP3 functionality, which enables it to play the files from an external source. The body has a nice wooden finish, so it actually looks and feels like a nice musical instrument in the space. Number 3. Alesis Recital Digital Piano. It's a full-size 88-key instrument with adjustable touch response. For example, if you wanted to develop more playing strength, you could set the response to hard so more playing depth is needed to produce a certain tone. The keyboard weighs around 30 pounds and will need a keyboard stand. It's quite easy to move around from location to location, and it's something you can travel with as well. Speakers are built into the top left and right corners of the keyboard, providing quality stereo sound. The speakers are 20W, which is about standard, and there's also a headphone output which allows piano students to practice in private without distractions. There are only 12 voices on the keyboard, which is a bit limited. However, all of the samples are premium quality sounds. Everything from the high-quality piano, organ, guitar, and violin samples are available from the instrument database. The display panel is easy to read, and it uses a volume knob dial. One of my favorite modes on this keyboard is the split voice function and recording function. Number 2. RockJam 61-key keyboard piano. This is a terrific option for a true tech-loving beginner. Very moderately priced, this digital keyboard offers a ton of digital bang for the buck, 100 instrumental voices, 100 rhythms and beats, and 50 sample songs, as well as recording and playback capability, making this 61 keys partial keyboard a little portable band production studio. RockJam pretty much is what it sounds like, a great beginner piano for the creative and technologically inclined mind. Obviously, there is no acoustical instrument sampling here, but the sound quality is good for the money and gives beginners an opportunity not only to seat learning the piano but also compose, produce and play around with layering of the sounds. The kit comes with everything you need: foldable stool, stand, music stand, pedal, and even headphones. It's a one-stop shop for a future pro music producer. And it's very portable. It uses both power adapter and batteries, so one can set it up outdoors for recreation, practice, or a summer stock performance. Number 1. Alesis Recital Digital Piano. The first thing that makes it a good beginner's piano is that it has 88 keys, a full keyboard standard. It is also very helpful that it has an education component designed to make your first steps of learning how to play the piano as effortless and interactive as possible. Lesson, split keyboard and layer modes make in-person or remote teaching, studying fun and engaging. Included with your purchase are 60 virtual lessons and 3 months of Scoob Interactive Piano Lessons premium membership that should get you going fast. Also, this keyboard boasts 128-note polyphony, which is a remarkable feature at this price point. But due to the ultra-reasonable cost of this unit, the keys are semi-weighted, as opposed to fully weighted. This affects the realism of the touch. Also worth noting that piano sound is completely digitally synthesized as opposed to sampled from an acoustic piano, The material is undoubtedly plastic, so the keyboard does not feel anything like the acoustic pianos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.